Good morning from Dollywood. That's right, we're at Dollywood. Why? Because it's the opening, well, it's the media event for Night Flight Expedition. The long-awaited new attraction is opening here at Dollywood. Now we get to ride today for the media event. There's a few days for pass holder days, and then it will be open to the public. But we get to ride it today, get to experience it. Now, we don't get to record on ride, but we get to tell you all about it. But there's gonna be a lot of other things here at Dollywood we're gonna cover today. So right now, we're headed back to Celebrity Theater. Unfortunately, Dollywood's not here today. Don't know why, but either way, she's not here. But we will see her on video, so let's head on back there and check things out. Let's get this day started. All right, they have us now in Celebrity Theater, seated. We're kind of off to the right side of the stage, but we have a really good view.
Hey, has anyone out there found Dolly? I've been looking for her all morning.
Well, hey, Eugene, I'm right here. Well, kinda, sorta. I'm still in Nashville, and I'm sorry about that. I'm supposed to be there in person like we planned. But after all, in all fairness, Eugene, I've had my butterfly wings flapping since May 15th, when we were due to open the first time. And again in June. But I know we have to make sure that this is the safest, since it is the biggest and most expensive ride that we have ever added to Dollywood. So, we're going to open it today. That's why I'm here, because my little butterfly wings are getting kind of tired. Now, I've told you before, all my fans, that I've had a few little health issues, and sometimes I get a little dizzy. And I get dehydrated, and I'm dehydrated. And so my Nashville doctor has kind of clipped my wings, saying, you ain't traveling this week. So I guess if your doctor tells you ain't traveling this week, you ain't traveling this week. But I like to keep all of you in the loop, like I said I would, on everything. So, all is going well on the medical end of things, and I continue working away on all of our other projects, like the Songteller Hotel and my Life of Many Colors Museum here in Nashville, and the Broadway musical in New York, and that has taken a lot of time. But let's just say I've talked enough about me, don't you think? Eugene, won't you talk about me for a while? I'm just kidding. I do want you to tell everybody about our great new ride, Night Flight Expedition, and you have fun, and I will see you down the road.
I certainly have to say I'm missing my partner, and I slept really well last night because I didn't have to worry about trying to follow her and where she was going to go with her comments. It's always fun. But I want you to know that she's online today, home in Nashville, watching, so let's make sure that we send her all of our love so she knows we're thinking of her. I better make sure I follow all orders and get this dedication of Night Flight Expedition. So let's see if Cora and Jasper are ready up at the ride so we can clear Night Flight for takeoff.
There sure is a lot of excitement up here at Hidden Hollow Aviation in Wildwood Grove. We are now ready to dedicate our new Night Flight Expedition and begin our search for Secret Lake.
I know a lot of you are ready to help us with our search for Secret Lake. I've been working on the bioluminator, and now it's ready. I promise it's going to be a big help in guiding us on our way.
And look, we have a lot of our friends and neighbors from Wildwood Grove here to get ready and celebrate with us. Say hi, everyone! Hi! Now, when you come up to Hidden Hollow Aviation, Jasper and I will take you on a one-of-a-kind adventure to help us find Secret Lake and discover what makes the Wildwood tree glow.
We will use our bioluminator to follow the routes, and hopefully we will find Secret Lake.
Along the way, we will need to stay close as we fly, float, climb, and plunge our way through the Great Smoky Mountains.
Are you ready?
All right, didn't get to see Dolly. Well, we did see her, I guess, per se, on video, virtually. Yeah, virtually. We've seen the virtual Dolly. But either way, now we are headed back to the Night Flight Expedition Plaza to have lunch. So let's head back that way now. Come on.
And this is how you don't drop.
Max is like 6 foot. So his mom's been.
And we have made it back here to the plaza.
Yeah.
So I'm guessing we just kind of go
Absolutely.
serve ourselves. Time has come to go ride Night Flight Expedition. Really good shot and a view of Big Bear. And I can already feel the air conditioning.
Is he the one by the like indoor place?
Good thing about this is the queue line is indoors. And I'm gonna say right now, it's very well air conditioned in here. Feels great. And another part of the queue line over here. That part of the queue line and that part of the queue line is what we just came through to go through this area. And here's the part I say we're about to go through. A little bit noisier in here, but as you can see, this is where everybody's all piled up at and ready to ride. A little more the theming. You can see Wildwood Grove and like a map they have of everything here. And there is theming on the walls all around the queue line. And it's a noisy queue line. And some more theming. What's cool is in this room, the lights keep dimming out. The bioluminator's coming on. The root's glowing. Kind of hard to see, but the root is glowing. So yeah, pretty cool. Okay, first reaction. We just got off that ride. Wow. When they say you go through different elements, you do. And like you said, Michael here with Ace, Ride Guys here. Like he said when we got done, it's a dark ride with a coaster element.
Absolutely. It's a family-friendly dark ride with a lot of cool stuff, unique ride.
Surprises.
It has a little bit of a coaster in it, but it is a dark ride, and it is fun. It is really
But
good.
it is a coaster credit for all you coaster
It's got
fanatics.
coaster. I mean, it's got more than most places, but it's definitely a coaster credit. But
And
it's a fun dark
it's
ride.
fun.
dark
It
ride.
is
Well
fun.
themed. Well,
Yes.
Very well themed. Dollywood, great job.
good job.
So now that we've rode Night Flight, they shut it down for the day. Got a few souvenirs along the way. Now it is time, because Ben has never rode Big Bear Mountain. We're getting in line to ride that right now. Let's go. Just got off a Big Bear. What you think, Ben? It was awesome. It was fun. It was fun. Very smooth. On the Dragonflyer. Well, that is going to do it for our day at Dollywood. We finished it out with riding a lot of rides. Ben pretty much has all the rest of the coaster credits he needed.
Need one more.
Need one more. One more. What's the Tennessee Tornado?
That's it.
Tennessee Tornado. Yep, we didn't get it. But that's okay. That means we got to come back. And we got to come back to ride Night Flight Expedition. That was amazing. Like I said, going around different curves, you're like, what's next? We didn't know. I'm not going to give away a lot of it, but it was amazing. You got to go ride Night Flight Expedition. Ben, what are your thoughts on it?
It was very unique.
Yeah, it's different. It really is. You think you've rode, and like somebody asked me, is it like Big Bear Mountain? No.
You can't really compare it to
There's
anything.
nothing at Dollywood. Well, anywhere that I've been that can kind of compare it. Maybe Disney might have something close. Maybe. I don't know. Either way, thank you, Dollywood, for having us out. We really appreciate it. We met up with a lot of great content creators. We always do. We had enjoyed talking to y'all too. We had a great day. We can't wait to come back again. Love this area up here. I mean, look at this. Look at this back here, y'all. How can you not love this place? So with that, be sure you subscribe, you like, you follow, you comment, all that good stuff. Check out The Retro Ben on YouTube. He's got some amazing stuff, and we'll see you next time.